All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to take the XMaxx while I got the Badlands with all that grip and traction, and I'm going to try to tear down this shed. I've already done some practice tugs to see if it would do it. Well, not the XMaxx, but I was seeing if it would be weak at all. I don't know if you can tell, it is rocking back and forth. Once you pull the panels off and you pull all of this right here out away from it, the support is kind of gone. There's no support beam over here. I don't know if the XMaxx will tear it down, but I'm going to set up the cameras. I'm gonna see if I can pull it down. It'd be pretty cool if the XMaxx can do this, right? Now I'm using these straps because they're pretty lightweight, and they got these right here in the middle. And what I think is going to happen, I think as the XMaxx pulls it, it's going to be kind of gradual with the weight, and the weight in the middle is going to allow this to come back and pull the XMaxx back so it can get another running start and kind of rock it back and forth in a rhythm. So what I'm going to do is run the strap through the wheelie bar so it doesn't go left and right like that, and it can stay straight with the XMaxx. And I'm going to run it through like this, through here, and do this right here. That way when it pulls it, the front end will come down, it'll stick it to the ground. And because if you hook it to the wheelie bar, it's just going to do like this whenever it pulls. So what I want it to do is try to stick to the ground, and it's going to help it if it's attached up there. All right, let's see. Try to get it all in view. There we go. Try to get it in the rhythm. I'm gonna flip these around. I don't know if this is gonna help or not. And don't worry about the front bumper. I actually have a replacement bumper. That's one of the reasons I don't care about turning that particular bumper up. It's starting to lean. You can see it's starting to lean a bit. So I think hopefully it comes soon. Oh, I heard something. I went back to the previous setup. I think I was just getting better results with that, so I'm digging out a spot in my yard. Come on, let's give it all. Let's see if we can get this to see. Come on, XMaxx baby, you got this. Holy cow, I didn't realize it was leaning so much. Wow. Whoa! About time. Woo! Man, that took forever. Look where the sun is. The sun was way over here. Look what I did. That was crazy. Man, that took so long. I thought I was gonna run out of batteries. I bet you, I don't know how long, I have no idea how long I've been out here trying that. Wow. Yeah, I know people are going to be complaining about me tearing up my XMaxx. I didn't tear it up. This bumper was already in bad shape, and that was already broken. So I actually have the replacement pieces in there to replace all that. So I just hope the drivetrain is okay. I'll inspect it later and see, make sure everything's okay. Man, that bumper is just crushed, isn't it? I may have to replace this piece too, I don't know. So I don't know, hopefully it's okay. Let's drive it around for a second and see how it does. It seems to be okay. I can't believe it did that. I just set the XMaxx up there to get some pictures and stuff. Had my wife come out here and take pictures of me. I can't believe it did that. It took forever. It took forever. I thought I was gonna have to try, like that was a full charge of batteries. There can't be much battery left in that thing. Let's play around with it. Time to enjoy the spoils of war. Oh no, no. Maybe I should move the tripod. Maybe over here would be a better idea. All right. Let's see if I can get up on top of there like this. No, I'm not gonna have the traction for it. Maybe let's see. Nope. Ah, seriously. Woo! My XMaxx has never been this dirty. It is so filthy. This is a burn pile. Look at it digging through that. Ah, it is such a mess. Woo! Oh wow. Well, well guys, that was amazing. Guys, that was amazing. That was so cool. That was so cool. I didn't think it was going to be able to do it. I set the camera up and I'm like, you know what, well, I'll try. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And I thought for sure I wasn't even going to be able to make a video out of it. That was so crazy and so cool. That was wild. That was wild. And you know I have another video, I don't know if I'll put it out before or after this one, saying that I didn't like to have Badlands on this thing, and I don't. It was acting funny with the Badlands on there, and I've actually been driving it around a lot. I know I didn't show you guys very much of me driving around, it was acting funny with the Badlands on it. Like I was hearing some clicks here and there. I don't know if something was slipping in the differential or what, but once I put the regular tires back on there, it's running fine again. I can tell a difference. I think I was so concerned this Badlands was going to tear up the drivetrain, but fortunately it survived. And I know people are going to say, you should be tearing up your XMaxx. I didn't tear up the XMaxx. The XMaxx is fine. The only thing, I mean, you know, this piece here has been broken for a while, and I'm actually going to, I bought a piece to replace this right here, the front bumper brace, and so I wasn't worried about breaking it or tearing that up, because you know I tore that up a long time ago. I just haven't replaced it, so I'm actually gonna replace that. But anyways, and I know there's gonna be a lot of cuts. I know it's not consistent, because I mean every single time I was hitting it real hard, I had to unwrap the strap from the tires. I had to keep going over there, and so that's why there's so many cuts in it. It was just, you know, 30 seconds of me going over there to unravel the XMaxx. But anyway, that's all I got for you today, guys. Look, it's so cool. I'm so excited that worked. That's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, come back to see what else I destroy with the XMaxx. This thing is amazing. That's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later.